Sorry.
Don't push me. Dr. Tedros, this is your chance to apologise to the world for your role during COVID. Would you like to take it? Hi, Dr. Tedros. Can I ask you, Dr. Tedros, how you doing? Do you think you did well in COVID, and if you're going to do as well in disease X? Mr. Tedros, how you doing? How do you feel you went in COVID?
We're rushing to a meeting.
Oh, we can
Maybe later on.
We'd love to walk with you to the meeting. What's the meeting about? Is it about disease X?
It's a meeting with UAE.
With the UAE? Okay.
Dr. Adnan, do you believe that lockdown should always be rejected as a public health measure?
Can we talk later?
What time? I'm happy to arrange a meeting with you, sir. Do you believe lockdown should be rejected as a public health measure?
What is disease X? Mr. Tedros, what is disease X? And when is China going to release it?
Mandates and lockdowns as a public health intervention.
Do you think
The World Health Organization wants actually, during the coronavirus pandemic,
How you doing? I would love to talk to you, Doctor. Do you apologise for what you did during COVID? And should people have to go through disease X with you now that you say it's 10 times worse?
Sir, it's a simple question. Do you condemn public health interventions like lockdowns and vaccine mandates?
the slogans for the WEF agenda.
Are you going to apologise for getting everything wrong, from mask mandates to vaccine mandates?
China should be held accountable for its role in COVID.
Okay, sorry.
Don't push me. Dr. Tedros, this is your chance to apologise to the world for your role during COVID. Would you like to take it?
It's okay to get.
Do we have to wait for you to get everything wrong in disease X? Do you think the vaccine mandates were wrong? You got everything from mask mandates to vaccines wrong. Do you want to apologise? Or do we have to suffer? In Australia, we had the longest lockdowns in our city, and that was based on your advice. You don't want to apologise to Australians or anyone? What about the current excess deaths? Do you want to talk about those? Do you take any responsibility for people who died because of the policies you pushed? It's regaining. They say regaining trust is the theme this year. Are you part of the reason why they've lost trust in the WEF and everybody finally knows who you are and what you stand for? Thank you, Dr. Tedros, for showing us how transparent you and the World Economic Forum really is. WEFreports.com. That's what we're here to do, is hold those unelected oligarchs and those that have controlled everything in our society, from even our freedom of movement for 3 years, to hold them accountable. Not here like the mainstream press that are invited guests that will never ask Tedros. He's never been asked those. You could see on his face he's never been asked such tough questions before. If you think it's important to hold these unelected tyrants accountable, make sure to like, comment, most importantly share it far and wide, because you won't see this in the mainstream media. They'll never ask Tedros the real questions that you guys have at home all around the world. Then head over to WEFreports.com. Check out all our stories, share them far and wide. And if you support our mission here on the ground at the WEF in Davos for 2024, please consider chipping in to help us cover the cost of being here to bring you the other side of the story.